What's broken about the future is that the technological revolution is actually compounding inequality. It's creating a long-term crisis of work, of jobs. It's created a surveillance capitalist business model where we're being watched in everything we're doing. And it's triggered a cultural crisis of paranoia, distrust, and narcissism. Can we trust the code? I think we can trust the code, but can we trust the coders? And can we trust the platforms where the code resides? And can we trust the governments and corporations who are spying on the code? So I'm not sure if whether or not we trust the code, that's actually going to compound trust itself. There is no simple solution, there's no app to fix the future. We have to develop agency in the digital world. We have to master the technology rather than the technology mastering us. And that involves all sorts of reforms, from new business models to new kinds of regulation, to different forms of education, to consumer empowerment and citizen engagement. It's a long-term process. It's going to take a generation or two. But just as in the Industrial Revolution, we as humans, we always break the future. That's what we do, and what we always do is fix it too. So we have an opportunity to fix this stuff. I like to think that I can see stuff that other people don't see. I certainly see stuff first. In 2007, I wrote a book called Cult of the Amateur, which was the first real critique of Web 2.0. Now, at the time, everyone told me I was an elitist and out of touch. Now everyone agrees with what I'm saying. My last book, How to Fix the Future, was the first serious analysis of fixing all these digital problems. So people should come if they want to be on the cutting edge of thought about all these complicated digital issues.